I'm going to pull the fire alarm at Park Wodny, Krakow. Okay, time to run.
What's going on?
Sounds like Stephanie pulled the fire alarm at Park Wodny, Krakow. Come on, Leon, let's get out of here.
Okay.
When Stephanie got home.
Hi, Stephanie. How was your day going?
It's great.
Let's watch the news.
After Stephanie and her dad watched the news.
Stephanie, I cannot believe you pulled the fire alarm at Park Wodny, Krakow. That's it. You're grounded for 952 months. Go to your room right now.